Hey, what's up guys, Prabhat here. Welcome to another episode of Awesome Tech and Gadgets. In this series, we explore some new tech and gadgets. Last episode was all about gaming accessories. Make sure to check that out. I will leave the links in the description. Also, don't forget to subscribe for more videos like these, and without any delay, let's get straight into the video. First up is the Panoho wireless home security alarm system. For the price of just $69, it's amazing how Panoho has managed to fit such an amazing security system in one package. You get one set of wireless PIR motion sensor to detect movement within 8 meters. It has 110 degrees field of view, covering nighttime scenarios as well. Plus you get 6 sets of wireless contact sensors used on doors, windows, cabinets, and any important entry areas of your home. Once you have installed this, whenever someone tries to intrude into your house through windows or doors, opening them a little will trigger the sensor to alert you. All of these sensors will be connected on a single mother device that will connect to your phone via an app. You get all the alerts right on your phone, and you can manage all your devices easily through this app. And the alarm system on this can get very loud. It produces a high-pitched alarm sound of 80 decibels that can scare any burglars away. Plus with battery backup, it supports 5 to 6 hours of work time even if you lose power. Additionally, you get 2 remotes that you can use to arm and disarm the security, change alarm sound, and the SOS signal. You get all the installation supplies with the box just in case if you want to mount this security system. And it's really easy to install all of these devices. All in all, this is all you need for your home security needs. Next up is the Mixeder E7. Mixeder's E7 headphone packs great features for the price it comes in. First of all, the build is amazing. The headphones feel sturdy even though it's made out of plastic, but you do get an aluminum adjustable headband. The pivoting and rotating ear cups make the E7 comfortable to wear. The sound for the price is pretty decent. It handles the mids and highs with precision, but it does lack a little on the lows. On the plus side, the E7 does come with active noise cancellation. So if you plan to use it while traveling on a bus, train or plane, it's going to be a quiet ride. Although the noise cancelling isn't as good as more known brands like Sony and Bose, Mixeder is great for its price range. If you use the headphone wired with only ANC activated, you will get a whopping 40 hours from a single charge. And if you use Bluetooth, you have still got 20 plus hours. Next up is Orizem HS3. Now this has got to be one of the most comfortable and secure fit over-the-ear earphone I have worn. The metal hinge system adjusts to your ear size and stays fit. The sound it produces is outstanding. Everything is amazingly balanced with a little emphasis on the lows and mids. If you like listening to acoustics or EDMs, then you will have a great experience with this earphone. The battery life is also no joke. For just 30 minutes of charge, it can give you 6 hours of use. And it's also IPX5 water resistant, so light water splashes won't do any damage. Perfect for workouts and trekking. Plus the HS3 also comes with built-in voice assistant to help you with simple tasks like pick up calls, change or pause tracks, and so on. Cool stuff. Overall, this has got to be one of my favorite Bluetooth earphone in this price range. Next up is the BenQ Zoe ZA13. For all the people who likes minimal looking mouse, this is the one for you. The Zoe ZA13 is a simple looking, ambidextrous mouse, but by no means does it hold you back from gaming. You can cycle between 4 DPI settings, and there is a color-coded LED to let you know which settings you are on. The DPI cycles between 400 to 3200. There are 2 thumb buttons on both sides, so left-handed users have the same experience. You also have USB report rate adjustment, and it can go from 125 to 1000 Hz. If you do a lot of office work but don't want to miss out on gaming, this is the perfect mouse for you. Next up is Mars Plus USB-C cables. Cables tend to get lost or broken easily. Also, a single cable is never enough. So it's really nice to know that third-party manufacturers make amazing replacements for cheap prices. And one of those are Mars Plus USB-C cables. First of all, let me just state that you get 3 6-feet cables for the price of just $9. The cable also supports Quick Charge 3.0 and protects your device from high current danger and ensures safe charging. The cable is covered in soft nylon and it can bend in any way you want. Plus, the cables being 6 feet long, charging your phone will be convenient even if the plug is far away. So if you're looking for extra cables, make sure you check them out. Next up is the Accent Wingman Solo. For all of you who don't like to carry around bulky power banks but need something compact for emergency situations, then this is the perfect product for you. The Wingman Solo is a small cylindrical power bank that has 3350 mAh of backup, just enough for a single charge for most phones. And the Wingman is designed to do just that. It's just for those single charge moments and portability. The build is also great with aluminium all around, so it's built to last. Plus you also get an integrated LED light that you can use in emergency cases. All in all, if you want a pocket-friendly compact power bank that's very minimal, then look no further. Last but not the least is Accent 5-port USB-C wall charger. This wall charger looks amazing, it's minimal, looks clean, and the design is simple. You get 3 USB ports for normal charging, one quick charge 3.0 port, and a USB-C port that outputs a whopping 15 watts. Meaning, not only your phone, but you can also charge your laptops as well. The build of this device is great. Everything feels very sturdy and well made. You have got this rubber feet at the bottom so that it doesn't move. Plus, the multi-protection system shields everything from overload, short circuits, overcurrent, and other charging issues. Additionally, the ports are on the top, so it's really easy to insert and remove the cables. No need to fumble around and flip the cables 3 times till you finally get it right. So that was the list, guys. I hope you found something really cool here. And if you have any suggestions, feel free to leave your comments down below. Stay tuned for more upcoming contents and I will catch you guys in the next one.